What's up, Switch Leaders? Hope you guys are having a great week. Over the 3 weeks at the movies, we saw so many students come into a relationship with Christ. And I just want to give you a quick reminder today. We get to do this. God allows us to be a part of their stories. Guys, coming up this week, it's going to be a little bit unique. It's a one-off, and it's actually from an older series called Soul Detox. We're going to be talking about toxic fear, kind of along with our Halloween theme, how we can fight that because God is on our side. You guys can start to get ready for Wednesday night by taking a look at your leader guide here on this email, and also remembering some of those key principles of leading small, being present, showing up mentally, showing up randomly. These are the ways that we continue to build those relationships with the students that God has entrusted us with. Guys, the last thing that I want to talk to you about is coming up in just a couple weeks is the Kazone experience. If you have not yet had a chance to go through, I want you to talk to me. I want to get you connected because I know every single one of us has a God-given purpose, God-given vision and dream for our lives. So come and find me. I want to get you connected to that event. Guys, I cannot wait. Wednesday is just around the corner. I'll see you then.